Have you ever tossed and turned for hours on end, staring at the ceiling, desperately trying to catch some shut-eye? Let's find out why.
Welcome to Learn with Fun, where curiosity meets creativity and learning feels like play.
In our hyper-connected world, sleep seems like a luxury. But what if everything you thought you knew about a good night's sleep was wrong? This isn't just about counting sheep. We're peeling back the layers on the complex biological processes happening inside you while you dream, exposing the true impact of restorative sleep on your brain, your mood, and your energy for tomorrow. Welcome to the channel. We're tucked away in the depths of your brain. There's an orchestra of cells, a hidden conductor of your internal rhythms. This is your circadian rhythm, your internal 24-hour cycle that dictates when you sleep, when you wake, even influencing your body temperature and hormone release. The star of this biological show is the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. SCN is a tiny group of cells in your hypothalamus that acts as the master clock, controlling the tempo of your entire system. But how does the SCN, a biological timekeeper, affect your everyday life? Well, imagine this. Light, streaming in from your eyes, sends signals to your SCN, allowing it to synchronize with the Earth's 24 rotation. At the same time, your SCN, like a meticulous conductor, uses internal biological cues and genetics to keep your circadian rhythm in tune. This intricate dance of biology and environment is what keeps you alert during the day and ready for rest at night. But what happens when this rhythm is disrupted? Say you've just flown across time zones or are working the night shift. Your circadian rhythm is thrown off, leading to the all-too-familiar symptoms of jet lag or chronic fatigue. In these cases, your body's internal clock is out of sync with the external environment, causing a cascade of issues from energy dips to mood swings. And the consequences don't stop there. Disrupting your circadian rhythm can also affect your sleep quality. You might find yourself tossing and turning, unable to get the restful sleep your body craves. And even when you do manage to drift off, your sleep might be filled with more interruptions, leaving you feeling unrefreshed in the morning. So why is understanding our circadian rhythm so crucial? Well, it's not just about knowing when to take that midday nap. It's about living in harmony with our internal biological clocks, optimizing our energy, mood, and overall well-being. By understanding the factors that influence our circadian rhythm, such as light exposure and genetics, we can take proactive steps to ensure that our internal clocks stay in sync with the external world. So next time you find yourself burning the midnight oil, remember the hidden orchestra within you and ask yourself, are you playing in harmony with your inner clock? If not, it might be time to conduct some changes to help you rest in peace.
Subscribe to Fun Time with Samay for fun, facts, and educational videos every week.